A very good afternoon to all of you again. Have a nice and safe day to you all, my viewers. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about a very small and important topic, that is about the structure of Y chromosome. What is the real magic of Y chromosome after its discovery by Stephens and its identification by McClung? Okay. The Y chromosome is specifically help in determining maleness of individual. Let's discuss about the structure of Y chromosome in detail. This Y chromosome at first consists of a short arm along with another long arm. This short arm and long arm are connected by centromere. This is the centromere zone of Y chromosome. Okay. The tip of the Y, tip, one tip, another tip here. This tip of the Y, it consists of the pseudo-autosomal region. Pseudo-autosomal region. There are two pseudo-autosomal regions are found on the terminal. Okay. So this is the short arm and this is the long arm of Y. This long arm consists of two different parts again. It carries more heterochromatin and less euchromatin. This is the darkly stained area called as heterochromatin. The heterochromatin is more in comparison to euchromatin. Okay, the heterochromatin, this is the euchromatin structure. This region is called as male specific region. Both eu and heterochromatin combinedly called as male specific region of Y chromosome. Okay. So near the pseudo-autosomal region of short arm, near this pseudo-autosomal region of short arm, there is another gene here. Another gene here at this region. This gene is called as SRY gene, which is called as sex determining zone of Y chromosome. This is the centromere, this is SRY part, and this SRY, remember, we will discuss detail about all these zones. These are the different zones. What the function of pseudo-autosomal region? This pseudo-autosomal region found in both ends. The basic function is that these share homology with the region of X chromosome and form synapse. This part region find out the homologous region of Y and form synapse there in the X chromosome. When the synapse is formed, it helps in forming synapse with X chromosome at meiosis type of cell division. 95% of it does not combine, while the pseudo-autosomal gene, out of this 95% are not involved in the process of meiosis. Only 5% of these genes produces synapse. Clear? The MSY zone then. For the function of MSY, It consists of both euchromatin and heterochromatin region. Here, this is called as male specific zone of Y chromosome, male specific zone of Y. Then what the function of SRY? SRY, it is found near the pseudoautosomal region, SRY. Okay, it codes of SRY gene codes a protein. It codes a protein. This protein is nothing but TDF, testis determining factor. What is its function? Testis determining factor. This help in providing the formation of testis. This TDF produced from the SRY region, what happens? It helps in converting the undifferentiated gonad tissue of embryo into testis. So, this protein help in testis development. Okay, so it is important. Then when Y chromosome is absent, Y is absent, the individual became one of the female individual development. Male gonads never develop from the undifferentiated tissue of embryo. Only TDF and SRY are responsible for this aspect. So, it is all about the magic structure of Y chromosome. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss about X chromosome, its different chromatin associated with it and its function. Okay. आज के लिए उतना ही. Thank you.